welcome back to another video. Unfortunately, I have not yet worked on the RXZ. It's lying in the same position as it was a couple of days ago. But then I have invested in some storage solution. So this is going to be my tool chest, as well as I can store some stuff here. So that is the plan on this. It is actually very nice. I'll just show you how it looks like. So I'm thinking of putting some helmets here so that I don't have to keep the helmets inside the house. Then there are 3 drawers where I can put the tools. I'll use one and I'll keep all the box spanners and everything here, and I'll put the bigger wrenches in the back. So yeah, that is planned, and I have to clean everything. But before I clean everything, I'm planning to stab the engine inside the RXZ. So that will be done first, and then I'll also make a short video on how to install these head and cylinder rubbers. So yeah, all that is planned in this video. So as you can see, the engine is almost completed. All I need to do is I need to just stab it in the bike. So that is the plan now. So I'll just quickly move the bike over here and then we'll start working. So I've been wanting to do a video on how to fix these rubber stuff on the RX. So the biggest problem is these days you don't get these rubber stuff, and the ones that you get are not absolutely perfect for either the RX100 or RX135, though the packet says RX135, but it is not the same. So if you look at these rubbers, actually, other than these two which I'll move out, there's nothing really that goes anywhere else other than the head. So the head is the one where most of these rubber bits are to be placed. So I'll also show you the parts catalog, which you can see here. So from the parts catalog you get a basic idea of how these rubber parts go. So this is how you connect the rubber parts. So I'll go ahead and quickly show you guys how to do it. For that I would need to put you guys on a tripod, so let me do that. Okay, so like you guys can see now, this is an RX 135 5-speed head. So I'll just make a little bit of space for it, then we'll place this. Okay, so these are the rubber bits which goes in the cylinder, so we'll keep that aside. So first things to go in is this bit. So this bit actually goes inside this, and this goes here. And then what you do is you use this screwdriver. I'm going to hit the screw, this, because I don't want to break the table which I'm sitting on. Using some lubricant such as a bit of grease would be a good idea. And this goes here. So what I'll do is I'll hammer it down later. I'm just showing you guys how all of this goes in, because obviously I cannot hammer this here. So this is how these two pieces, they go here. Okay, so the next is we flip this. So this should sit flush, so it will go that much inside. If you hit it with something such as a mallet. Okay, so the next is all these little bits, these two and these. So there are two ways about it. One is you get these specific big ones which come from Yamaha, so you can use those. All you need to do is just press it and put it in place. So hit it with something and that goes in place. Or you can use the ones which has come with the kit. So those look like this. So you just need to fit these in these holes, like how I am fitting them. So the main role that these play is they reduce vibrations, so that is what needs to be done. So just move it a little bit down so that it stays wedged. So again, these go here. And then these, they go here. So you need to hit this with something. So if you look at the manual, the middle one is not occupied and there is nothing in the back, but there are some left. So what we can do is we can wedge them inside here. So yeah, so that's how you install this here. So what I'll do is I'll make them seated properly and then I'll show you guys how it looks, and we'll also look at the where these go on the cylinder. So yeah, we'll go there next. So these have been installed properly, as you can see. These are sitting flush now, plus these are wedged deep in. So now we need to fix these. So most of you might think why we need to install these rubbers. These rubbers actually reduce vibrations. So the bore rubbers are connected here. So what I'll do is, there is already one here, so I'll remove it. So these small ones, the 3 ones will go here, and I need something to make sure this sits into place. Ideally you will hit this with a nylon mallet. So these, you look at the arrow, install it like this so that one stays above. This is for the head to be seated. You do the similar thing on the other side as well. So yeah, now let's install the head. When you're putting back the head, make sure it is free of any foreign particles. Make sure the cylinder is also free of any foreign particles like small rocks or maybe piece of metal. So those things can be really catastrophic on the head as well as engine. So yeah, that is seated. Now what we need to do is we need to install the top screws, which I think are here. So there are 4 of these washers, and then there are 4 of these nuts. These are special because of the shape. So I'm going to give it another try. See if I can install the silencer. If I'm able to, then it would be awesome.